Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to perform a hard reset on your Honor Magic Earbuds. So first they need to be connected to your Bluetooth. So let's do that. We need to open the case, and now we need to pair our phone with them. And now to perform the hard reset, you'll need to press this button and hold it until this light changes to red, like this. And now we've performed the hard reset on Honor Magic Earbuds. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.